More now on our exclusive investigation into allegations of excessive force by Denver police. The bystander who shot videotape of Denver police officers appearing to rough up a suspect and his pregnant girlfriend claims police tried to delete the clip. New tonight, investigative reporter Chris Halsney looks into your rights when police want to see what's on your cell phone.
This witness is accusing Denver police officers of violating federal law. Now, legal experts tell me he's on the right track. Police cannot, except in rare circumstances, seize your mobile devices without a search warrant. It's videotape that's hard to watch. Just the sound of the punches police delivered to the face of an unarmed accused drug user makes witness Levi Frazier cringe. But what really makes him furious is the way he says Denver police treated him after they saw him taking video of this arrest in a public parking lot.
And there wasn't a soul in sight anywhere. And at that point I was like, man, I gotta go. Like, I'm the only person that just saw this happen. And that was when I went to my van and put the tablet underneath two of my work bags in the work van, hoping that nobody would ever find it back there.
But that didn't work. Frazier says police on scene threatened him with arrest unless he turned over the videotape.
I mean, I didn't give it to him at all. I went back to the van and grabbed it, and as I was walking up, it was taken out of my hand.
Frazier tells us an officer thumbed through all his personal photos looking for the arrest videotape, and when he got the device back, Frazier says the clip was gone. He revived it later from his electronic cloud.
Well, I went and hooked up to Wi-Fi and then got right back in the photos, and there it was. And I was like, oh, how did that, you know? And there it was. And I sat there and I watched it, and it was surreal to realize that I had just captured that on video.
A June Supreme Court ruling greatly limits under what circumstances police can look into your cell phone, iPad, or tablet digging for evidence.
They crossed the line, absolutely.
Attorney Benjamin Hartford is representing Frazier. He says both the suspect getting punched and his client are victims of Denver police abuse.
If you make a mistake or if you go too far as an officer, if you own it and you say it, then you're going to be in much better position than if you try to conspire to cover it up or justify something improperly.
Aya Gruber is a CU Boulder professor of law. She says police can threaten and intimidate all they want. What is not legal, though, is the seizure of your camera, tablet, or cell without a judge's signed warrant.
Police are still going to ask if you're filming them, if they can see what you did, or they're still going to tell you to stop or you better delete that. There's nothing preventing them from doing those things. What they can't do is say, you have to give me your cell phone and I get to look through it. That's what they can't do.
Gruber tells Fox31 Denver the constitutional law allows police to look into pockets and purses, but the Supreme Court drew the line at unfettered access to personal electronic storage devices.
Your cell phone contains the most intimate information of your life. It contains your passwords, social security numbers, bank records, everything. So the Supreme Court did not want to give police broad authority to be able to access that without any oversight.
That's a message that Levi Frazier hopes Denver police start hearing. I asked Denver Police Commander Matt Murray point blank, what's the department's policy on officers searching in cell phones and tablets for files without a warrant? He didn't answer, instead choosing to question Levi Frazier's character and honesty, intimating that he was an unreliable witness. Chris Halsney, Fox 31 Denver.
Chris, thank you. A story that has a lot of people talking, for sure. A game changer.